Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will cover outline and font properties in CSS. Outline is line that is drawn outside of element border. I will add one div element. I will set its height and width. So this div is going to have width of 300 pixels, height of 200 pixels. It's going to have border of 5 pixels, green, solid. Outline also have properties style, color and width. So I will add outline style solid, outline color blue and outline width 5 pixels. Now I will open this page in browser. So this is div. Here you can see border and outside of border it is outline. You can set outline properties just like border properties. So I can use here outline shorthand property. I will delete this. So outline is going to be 5 pixels solid blue. And it is same. There's also outline offset property and it is space between border and outline. So outline offset I will add 10 pixels. And I will also add margins of 40 pixels. And now you can see this is outline offset of 10 pixels space between border and outline. With outline you can create story icon like on Instagram. I will do that. I will add image element, source images, and I will select C image. And I will add style here in CSS. I will use image tag. I will add width of 150 pixels and also height of 150 pixels. I'll add border 5 pixels solid white and border radius of 50% which will be circle, and then I will add outline 5 pixels solid red. And let's look that in browser. So this looks like story icon. You have profile picture inside circle, then you have border, white border, and then outline. Now I will move on font properties, so I will comment this and I will add one paragraph. Inside paragraph I will add some text. Today is not Friday. In style element I will add selector for paragraph, and first property I'm going to use is font family. And I will choose some of them Arial. So here you add several fonts in case one font is not available, and at the end you add generic font family, which is group of fonts with similar look. Let's see this page in browser. So this is Arial font. Now I will change font to Times New Roman. Times New Roman, and when font name has more than one word, you need to put that font name inside quotation marks. And this is Times New Roman font. Next property is font weight. So I will add font weight. And here I have options from 100 to 900. I will choose 500, and this is how it looks like. I will minimize this. Now I will try with some bigger value, 800. Now this text is more highlighted. And now I will try with 900. It is max value of font weight. You can also use text values like bold, lighter, and bolder. Next property is font style. By default it is normal. You can use other values, italic, oblique. Next property is font size. You can use these name values, medium, larger, X small, and so on. And you can use pixels, 30 pixels, 20 pixels. You can also use relative units like viewport width, 5 viewport width, but that use is not common, so I will move back on pixels. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.